See that? Got my wood stove going. So the power goes out, I still got heat. I really won't be able to tell the difference because this is what I use for heat anyway. I do have a kerosene heater I kind of use as a little alternative heat when it gets really cold too, just to supplement. But got the little stove going. As you can hear, it sounds like it's mainly sleep now. Been coming down all day, but not real heavy. Girls, leaving them locked up. I ain't no telling where they might sneak off and hide too if I let them out, and I ain't out here watching them. So as you can see, it's not real deep, but it's getting there. Main concern everybody has is if it turns to freezing rain, starts snapping power poles and trees and what have you. Yeah, it's asleep right now. It was snowing earlier, but it's not a big deal right now, but hopefully it'll, I think lower part of the state of South Carolina, they're getting more sleet and freezing rain. Luckily here we're getting mainly the snow, and right now just sleet. I guess that's what you call it. Anyway, I'll do a little update in a little bit. Oh, who would have a Ron Paul sign up? Don't you know the damn election's over with? Yep, I know it's dark, you can't see good. But what you hear, that's pretty much freezing rain. I waited a little too late, you can't see anything. But yeah, that really sucks because that means it's going to be nasty out. There's going to be trees snapping and power poles. I can't believe it's wet. It's pretty cold out here. Yeah, it's going to be nasty tomorrow. We'll just have to wait and see what happens.